Hey families! Today I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to exploring Malmö with your kiddos. Whether you're looking for thrilling adventures or relaxing spots, Malmö has it all. If you're planning a trip to Sweden, Malmö is a charming and inspirational place that's perfect for a family adventure. With its rich history, beautiful parks, and kid-friendly attractions, there's something for everyone. So, let's dive in. First up, we have the Malmö Chocolate Factory. Chocolate lovers, this one's for you. This place is a dream come true for anyone with a sweet tooth. Imagine walking into a wonderland filled with the rich aroma of chocolate. The air is thick with the scent of cocoa and the excitement is palpable. The kids can enjoy making their own chocolate creations, learning about the process from bean to bar. And trust me, there's nothing like the look on their faces when they taste their own sweet treats. It's a hands-on experience that they'll remember for years. It's a deliciously fun experience for the whole family. Plus, you get to take home some of your creations. Next, let's bounce over to Busfabriken. This is the ultimate indoor playground where kids can let loose and burn off all that extra energy. It's a paradise for active kids. Slides, ball pits, climbing frames, you name it, they've got it. The variety of activities ensures that kids of all ages will find something they love. And parents, there's a cozy cafe where you can relax while keeping an eye on your little adventurers. Enjoy a cup of coffee or a snack while the kids play. It's a win-win. The kids get to have fun, and you get a moment to unwind. Now, you can't visit Malmö without checking out Folkets Park. It's one of Sweden's oldest public parks and is packed with activities. The park is a vibrant hub of family-friendly fun. From mini-golf and playgrounds to the reptile house, there's something for everyone. The variety of attractions means you can easily spend an entire day here. Plus, during summer, they have free outdoor concerts and movies. It's a great way to enjoy the warm weather and some entertainment. It's the perfect spot for a laid-back family day out. Pack a picnic and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. For a touch of nature, head over to Slottsträdgården and Kungsparken. These beautiful gardens are perfect for a peaceful stroll with the family. The lush greenery and vibrant flowers create a serene atmosphere. Don't miss Dammen Lake, where you can rent a paddle boat and enjoy the stunning scenery. It's a fun and relaxing activity for all ages. The kids will love watching the ducks and swans glide by. Bring some bread to feed them and make it an interactive experience. It's a great way to unwind and soak up the beauty of Malmö. The peaceful environment is perfect for recharging. Traveling with young children can be tricky, but it's totally worth it. Yes, there will be meltdowns and moments of chaos, but those are the moments that make the best stories. Embrace the unpredictability and enjoy the journey. Seeing the world through the eyes of your children is magical, and Malmö offers the perfect backdrop for creating those unforgettable family memories. The joy and wonder in their eyes make every challenge worthwhile. So, there you have it. Malmö is a treasure trove of fun-filled family activities. From the tantalizing treats at the chocolate factory, to the adventurous play at Busfabriken, the cultural vibes at Folkets Park, and the serene beauty of Slottsträdgården and Kungsparken, there's something for everyone. Each location offers a unique experience that will leave your family with lasting memories. Pack your bags, grab the kiddos, and get ready for an epic family adventure in Malmö. The city is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite family travel destinations. See you in the next video. Happy travels!